Water is a common denominator. Water is life. Water goes in everything. We suffer from drought and scarcity of water to start with, and climate change is making it much more difficult. There is one very, very important partner, which is nature.
The environment doesn't respect borders. These political man-made borders that have been drawn up by people have nothing to do with nature.
The Bright Award recognizes individuals who've dedicated their lives to environmental conservation and the environment. It's the highest environmental award that Stanford University gives. This year's recipients of the Bright Award are Gidon Bromberg and Munqeth Mehyar. Together, they co-founded a visionary and exciting organization in the Middle East.
So EcoPeace is a really unique organization. We're the only organization that exists that's Jordanian, Palestinian, and Israeli together in any field, with a single board, a single budget, a single mission. And as our name describes, it's ecology and peace. So it's all about focusing on our shared environment as a means to advance peace in our very troubled region. And therefore, private sector partnership together with the government, we're seeking to create healthy interdependencies. What we need is the electricity to cross from east to west and desalinated water to cross from west to east.
EcoPeace's most significant accomplishment has been in the area of water scarcity, which is obviously one of the most pressing environmental concerns in the region. In particular, they were able to facilitate what many viewed to be impossible. In 2013, as a result of their efforts, water was allowed to flow from the Jordan River to the Sea of Galilee for the first time in over a decade.
Here we are in the middle, trying to bring people together to discuss their problems and ways to solve it.
Because it's not just a technological transfer, it's about both sides having identified a common objective. And as soon as it becomes an issue of common concern, then it's about cooperation.
As an organization, we thought that we need to show people that the peace process is working and there is so much to gain from peace.
That's what we're trying to do at EcoPeace, to model the type of world we'd like to live in. The challenge that we face is that we're often condemned by people from our own communities, sometimes from our own families, for working with the other side. To be forced to question yourself every single day. Are we truly making a difference? Are we sincerely working for each other's mutual gain? Because the pressure and the challenges are as enormous as the conflict is.
I still see the spark in their eyes. I still find Munqeth and Gidon with the same spirit, with the same passion. Munqeth is very wise, very open-minded. Gidon doesn't sleep. I can barely keep up with him.
An award from Stanford University Law School is an award that helps sustain us.
We are not alone. People are watching, people are appreciating, and that's a great motivation to not only move forward, but to double our efforts to go forward.
My experience of 24 years at EcoPeace has shown me people are courageous. People are willing to stand up and defend themselves. I'd like to see a world where rivers flow, where water is truly recognized, respected and valued and cherished, not only for humankind, but for all kind.
Future generations, my kids. I want to see my kids live in a less hostile environment.
And that's really what motivates me, is that I believe it's possible.